Get those supplies back from the train. Mr. Starrett will cut old bridges.
She's not allowed in here!
Intruder!
Get the life out of here! Yeah! More than one. See a woman there, one get her! That's Sir David Brewster taking the largest haul. Not likely. Excursions, leisure trips, bank robberies, tipping the scales in his favour.
Nearly there. Where is Brewster's laboratory? All reconnaissance pointed straight here.
I asked you, my lord, how did you How did you break into the laboratory? The entrance is hidden.
A secret laboratory? Well, well. Perhaps I can aid this interrogation.
What do you wish me to elaborate upon, my lord? I am all ears. Was it green? The green? Confess! My sharp friend here will have his way. Shall return home empty-handed. Now we're talking. Give him a taster!
No. No.
That's the stuff.
Let's have a
This is where you're...
always father you!
Ah, thank you kindly. I was in ever such a squeaky fix when, what do you know? You rescue me.
Where's the hidden laboratory?
Untie me and then we can parley, milady.
I'm pressed for time. Tell me now.
It's underground. Requires a key. One of the guards nicked mine, cheeky sod.
Thank you.
Now? Untie me?
You got yourself in. I trust you can get yourself out again.
Not to worry, milady. Can still recall a couple of tricks from me carnival days.
Charming.
She's not allowed in here! You stick me! I've got a clear shot at her! She won't get away! There she is! I'll get her!
What are you doing? Keep that key in your pocket, or else Miss Thorne will have your guts for garters.
Let's have a butcher's downstairs then. I want to see that artifact.
Not if you value your life.
Eyes on that damn woman in the river! Come back here! I'll give you a damn good hiding! Stand up!
Neither I nor you.
She shouldn't be here! Let's solve this fucking thing!
See that woman there? Now, someone get her from behind!
Run her through! Shit, she's getting away!
Ready to fire now! Hey, someone get her! What's wrong? Too much stop cowards. Get her out of here! She's in my
You better be scared of me! Don't play tricks on me!
ready to blow her brains out! Don't go easy on her! Stop her dead! She won't get away! Hey, someone get her! You're boring me now, get her! Come out now and I might knock you.
Got it.
I never set eyes on that damn woman again.
Don't just attack her one at a time! Come back here!
Someone get her from behind!
Why no one's taken you to medical college yet? You won't be drowning your troubles no more.
Scared, ain't ya? Do you always look like a black chickie? Put your hands up and fight like a man. Shut your gob and just put him up. My coin's on him. I'll take you, you fucking bastard. You'll leave empty-handed. I'm gonna redo your portrait, pal.
See that woman there?
She's an intruder! I'll smash you right... Get away! She took it!
Nice crowd, mates!
Knock her dead!
Got it.
I'll get her.
Back on me.
Watch your step! I've got a clear shot at her! She's quick!
Got it.
You've got to overpower her!
Back on me.
woman sneaked in!
Now, where's she gone? There she is! Found her! Shit! Fuck me! Yeah! Stop her! Find it,
Oh, found her! Oh, goodness! Stop that at once! Thief!
There you are. The entrance to Brewster's lab.
Back on track.
No, he can't. So do the bloke.
Bit old to be playing hide and seek, ain't she? She's having a little rest. Ah.
Piece of Eden.
Increase the electricity.
But it'll become unstable, sir.
You heard what Miss Thorne said. We need results now.
Don't mind me saying that would be an exceptionally bad idea.
time to lay down your head, Sir David Brewster.
But I have so much more to discover.
Do not be afraid.
I'm not. God will protect me.
I will continue your experiment.
You will not stop, Starrick. Miss Thorne has already found another piece of Eden, more powerful than the last.
I will take that one too.
We fight to gain what we cannot take with us. It's in our nature.
I have to get out of here, now! Come on, you! Keep going.
That was far too close.
I must find a way out.
Nearly through. Come on!
Was that explosion?
What explosion?
Evie?
Piece of Eden detonated and took the lab with it.
The magic lump of hyperbolic metal. I'm shocked.
Simply because you have never valued the pieces does not
All
mean...
went according to plan, hmm?
There was a slight complication.
How slight.
The lab exploded.
Jacob.
You derailed a train.
Oh, he did. Did he?
Well, the train derailed and I happened to be on it. I killed my target.
Brewster is also no more.
Then all in all a successful mission in spite of you two.
What about London?
What about it?
We're wasting our time out here.
You know as well as I do that London has been the domain of the Templars for the last 100 years. They are far too strong yet. Patience.
But the Templars have found a new piece of Eden.
Sir David is dead. They do not know how to use it. The Council shall guide us. Sound advice that your father would have seconded. I shall see you back in Crawley.
Patience, Evie.
The gentle sound of opportunity passing us by.
So what's stopping us? London is waiting to be liberated. Forget Crawley.
Father would have wanted us to
Oh,
listen.
Father. You could continue his legacy in London.
Freeing future generations from a city ruled by Templars. You know, Jacob Fry, you might just be right.
Then shall we?
Yes. Let's. Onward to London.
I know. You've only had a taste of our latest acquisition from Abstergo. But I want to check in on Sean and Rebecca. I still think attacking a Templar is a mistake.
Call Dr. Grammatica.
Come on. Oh, Isabel. What a lovely surprise.
Our mutual friends will be here shortly to search for the artifact. Once it's located, I'll let you know.
Super. Always a pleasure.
Prick.
It's people like you that give historians a bad name.
I'm afraid I don't have time for you today, Mr. Hastings.
Thank you for making my job easy.
Oh, shit.
It does look grim.
Master Berg, Agent Acosta. Deal with them, please.
Move it!
Hunt them down!
All they had to do was wait for you to search the data. Their little stunt has put the whole operation at risk. You need to synchronize Jacob and Evie's memories. Find something that puts us ahead of the enemy. Time is of the essence, and lives are now clearly on the line. Good luck.
I've never seen so many people all at once.
Churning seas of London. It's just the way Father described. Now, to find Henry Green and formulate a plan of attack against the Templars.
Is Mr. Green again?
The assassin watching over London? Did you not listen the first 3 times?
Listen to what? Oi, watch it.
Beg pardon, sir.
Oi! Come back here, you filthy dipper!
Stop! Never mind. No, I didn't need any money. Just a bit of a laugh.
Expenses and so...
Fine, you little mobsman. Keep it.
Well, well. What do we have here? You're on our property.
You'll pay for that!
He's getting away!
Now,
Don't let him breathe!
I'll whip out your... What's it
Excellent. What else does London have to offer?
Now is not the time for tourism, Jacob. Now's the time to find Henry Green. I've always been the quicker climber, haven't I?
Not since we were 2.
Race you to the highest vantage point.
How can that rogue sleep at
Not on my watch!
There's been a murder.